Hey everyone, welcome back. This session is about 10 minutes English conversation practice with me. What I do here is I take up very general, common, everyday spoken conversation topics and I speak on them. These are very basic topics which come up in every single conversation. We basically talk about our experiences, our feelings, any incident or event which has happened, or any event which we have attended, or somebody we have met, right? Or anything new we have done, and lots more. So these are the basic things we generally talk about. Fun, entertainment, etc., etc. There are lots of topics. So I take up these topics which are used in our daily life conversation and I speak on them. What you can do here is you can speak with me, you can repeat after me, you can shadow with me, or you can take my idea, take my topic, come up with your own idea, collect ideas from others as well, write a script and start speaking for 10 minutes every single day, at least for 30 days, and you will see the difference. Now, how this will help? Since you're talking about or you're practicing everyday conversation topics, so you will be confident and fluent in speaking about those topics or on those topics. And when you get the opportunity to speak with people on these topics in English, definitely it will be easier for you to speak up because you have had enough practice on these topics and you have been continuously speaking on those topics every single day for 10 minutes, right? So that is why you will be able to speak on these topics easily or with confidence and fluency. So guys, start doing it from today, from now. I have a long list of videos. Go and check out my conversational videos. It will really help you a lot. So guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you out to speak English fluently and confidently. Well, today I'm going to discuss a very burning or a hot and debatable issue. We all talk about this every single day. Whether you hear a podcast or you listen to any news article, a piece of news, or you hear people, parents talking or children's talking or anybody and everybody, when you hear this is the most common topic which is spoken about recently. And I'm going to talk about that topic today. And the topic is about social media. We all are addicted to social media, right? Yes. So I'm going to talk about social media today. On that note, if you haven't subscribed my channel, guys, it's not fair. Please subscribe my channel, support my work, like and share my videos. Do write your comments in the comment section and let me know your feedback. There's no harm in doing that, right? Okay, so let's get started. Today I'm going to talk about how social media has changed our lives. And I'm going to give 5 points. The first and the foremost thing which comes up is family time. You would have heard a lot of people complaining about this, right? You have seen a lot of memes, comedy, and a lot of things, cartoons seen about this thing, family time. It's like, people are sitting on the sofas in their living room, or they're eating or out, or they're sitting together, but everybody has their own mobile in their hands and they're busy. Right? Nobody's talking to each other. They're busy in their own mobiles, in their own space. Right? You must have seen all the memes, cartoons, and heard a lot of comedy about it, right? A lot of comedians speaking on this, right? So yes, that is the major issue nowadays. We all are on social media. We all are so much addicted to social media that we just want to get back and view those again and again, whether it is Facebook or Snapchat or WhatsApp or LinkedIn or any other, Twitter or any other social media platforms. We are so much addicted. If we have seen right now, if we have checked our Facebook account now, maybe after 5 minutes, we will feel like checking it again. right? And if we have messaged somebody, or if we have, liked some photos, or we have, uploaded something, then we feel like going back and checking again and again. So this is how social media has made us addicted, and we put our lives on social media. We don't share it now. We don't talk about it sitting in front of people. We share it on social media and we talk it there. We talk about it there, right? Somebody likes our photos, somebody comments on our photos, and we reply to it. But when we sit at home together with our siblings, our parents, or our friends also, maybe during breaks, we all are busy with our own phones. So this is something which has happened recently. It is a great cause of concern also, because in our times, like my childhood, we used to sit and talk together. We never had a phone in hand and we used to view the phones, right? And we used to exchange our thoughts with in person, not on social media. So that is what something has happened. This has changed the whole ecosystem of how we interact with people. And the same with kids also. Children are also so addicted to it that they start speaking late. They don't interact with people very much. So lots of disadvantages also about it, right? They're not very much interactive. They don't want to talk. They're a little shy about talking to people and mixing with people, because the life is more on screen, right? They enjoy one-way communication, not two ways. So that is one demerit. So that is where the family values, or the connections between us, we don't share much information nowadays because we don't get time, or we don't feel like sharing, right? We are so busy. So that is why there's a disconnect between parents or children or the whole world, right? So that is why there's a disconnect. I think we should prefer giving some time to our family or friends, or wherever we go out, whenever we go out with people, we should give some time to them. And social media is there, of course it is there. So whenever we get time, we are alone, we can just check our social media accounts. So we have to allot time for everything. That is what I wanted to say here. That is the only solution I can see right now. Second thing is, things have become much easier nowadays. We are in a digital age, so things have become much easier now. The banking system, the booking system, the payment systems, recharge, anything and everything has become so easy now, right? Buy something, gift somebody, we can just go online and it's just a click away. We can click and send somebody a cake, a bouquet, sweets, or any gift anywhere across the world. Things have become much easier with the use of digital media, or with the help of digital media. We can sit at home and book our flight tickets, or book our hotels from across the world, right? We get reviews, we get to know what people are talking about that particular thing. So a lot of things have become much easier sitting in your own space, in your own house, and you can do n number of things. Right? So that is one big advantage of using social media or digital media, right? You get to know a lot of information. You get a lot of information about anything and everything. It's just that you have to be very careful about what information you're consuming and what information you are believing in. That is the one thing which we have to be very cautious about. The third one is online studies or online education. Now, there are lots of things. Of course, we go to schools, colleges, and other professional degrees. We take, we go, which is a classroom program. But apart from that, if you want to do any non-technical or any technical or any other course which can enhance your career, enhance your education, enhance your personality, or enhance your interests, or anything of such sort, and probably learning English. So you can just get enrolled in an online course and you will learn it, right? So that is the advantage. Sitting at your home at your own time, you can study. And if you're preparing for IELTS or TOEFL or any entrance examinations for medical, engineering, or UPSC, BPSC, IS, any exams you are preparing for, the government exams or any other exams you're preparing for, you can get a lot of information, lots and lots of information, which is really important and which is required for you to know before giving the exam, right? So that is also an advantage of digital media or social media or digital age, basically. So we are connected, we are on internet, we can see a lot of groups on Facebook, WhatsApp, or any other social media platforms where we can learn, right? YouTube, we can learn a lot from them, but it has to be a right source. That is the only thing which I would suggest. It has to be a right source. Coming to the fourth one is connectivity. We feel more connected, right? If our cousin's sitting in US or a UK or in Australia or Dubai or anywhere in the world, or maybe a place in Bihar or a place in Kerala, we can talk to them over a video conferencing, over a video call, right? So we can just share things, we can just, if there's a birthday, anniversary, any celebration, anything, if it's a marriage is happening, we can always sit at home and see and watch things, right? If a birthday celebration is going on and we are not able to be a part of that celebration, or if a wedding is going on when unfortunately we are not able to be a part of that wedding, so what we can do is we can watch through a video call, right? So things have become more easy. We are in a more connected world. Whichever part of the world you are in, you can just stay connected via video call, right? So that is something which is a big advantage of social media platforms or digital platforms. The last one today I'm going to discuss is we don't have free time. So we have free time, but it's just that whenever we get free, we want to get on the social media platforms. We want to view our posts, or we want to post some, or we want to check out some other posts, or we want to do a lot of other activities on social media, right? So whenever we get some free time, we spend it on social media. So in that case, we don't have a free time. We have very limited free time. And that is why we are so busy today. And we complain that we don't get free time. There's no free time, or we are so busy. We are not busy. We are just, whenever we get free, we just get on social media and it kills a lot of time. You don't realize how much time you have given there, right? Once you open your accounts and you start viewing things, maybe half an hour, 1 hour goes by and you don't realize you were on a social media account for more than an hour. So you don't realize it. So that is why how time goes by when you start watching something. If you're utilizing that time in something which will help you to learn new things, then it's okay. Then it's well and good, right? Like I tell you, if you want to learn English, you want to be fluent and confident in English, start listening to more and more contents in English. So if you're doing that, then you're learning something, right? But if you're just, on the social media, just checking posts and replying to somebody and just checking somebody else's post and writing your own post, putting up photographs, and you're just, just for time pass, if you're doing that, or fun or entertainment, then it will be difficult, right? You can give some time to all these things also, but then you have to watch out. You have to see how much time you're giving to these kind of activities and how much time you're giving to something which is fruitful to you, right? You can divide that time. This will always be helpful, right? We all need to learn something or the other, right? It's not that I am good in English, I don't have to practice anymore. I don't have to learn anything new. No, I still practice, I still learn, right? From people, from social media, or from any digital platforms. I still learn, I still practice, I still study. And likewise, you should also, whatever your interests are, whatever you try exploring new things. There are lots of learnings. There. If you're addicted to social media, try utilizing that addiction, which can be beneficial for you in the long run. So I think you can divide your time there. So that will be helpful. So guys, today I've discussed these 5 points on how social media has changed our lives. There are some more which I'm going to discuss my next video, because it will be a very long video and you guys will get bored. So anyways, so my job is to help you to give an idea on how you can speak in English on any topic for 10 minutes every day. So that is why I choose topics which are interesting, which is very common and spoken every single day, so that we can connect with each other and you also feel connected and you can also come up with your own ideas and you can speak on it, right? So guys, try these activities, try this speaking practice for 10 minutes every day on different topics. I have a lot many topics which I have discussed on, I have spoken on. Start speaking on those for 10 minutes every day for a month at least, and you'll see the difference for sure. And do let me know. Keep practicing and keep learning. See you. Bye-bye.